Hello everyone, myself Rahul. In this presentation, we'll be discussing about operating system and macOS in detail. The topics which we'll be discussing are what is an operating system, major operating systems, introduction to macOS, features of macOS, evolution of macOS, and architecture of macOS. Let us know what is the most important points about operating system. An operating system is a software that manages computer hardware and software resources and provides common services for computer programs. It is basically a bridge between the user, the hardware, and the software. Core functions. OS facilitates resource allocation, file management, task scheduling, memory management, and user interface. OS provides a graphical or command line interface allowing users to interact with the computer system. OS handles device drivers and enables communication between software and hardware components. Security and protection. OS implements security measures like authentication, data encryption, and access control to safeguard the system. Basically, OS plays major role in a computer system. Major operating system examples are Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Windows was developed by Microsoft. Windows is widely used OS because it is user-friendly and compatible with vast range of software and hardware devices. macOS, it is developed by Apple and it is used only by Apple or Macintosh computers, offering a seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem and a sleek user interface. It allows connection between iOS devices and macOS devices. Linux. Linux is an open source based on the Unix kernel. It provides a robust, stable, and a highly customizable environment, powering a wide variety of devices and servers worldwide. Android. Android is a Linux based mobile OS developed by Google. It dominates the mobile market, providing a versatile platform for smartphones, tablets, and other devices. Android is mostly used by all the mobile companies. iOS, it is developed by Apple for Apple smartphones, iPads and iPods. Let us learn more about macOS. macOS. macOS was developed by Apple. It is a graphical user interface based operating systems for Macintosh computers. It is exclusively made for Apple's. It means that it can be only used by Macintosh computers and Apple MacBooks, which is laptops basically. Macintosh debut. In 1984, Apple introduced Macintosh PC and Macintosh operating system. macOS renaming. Apple renamed its OS from System to macOS in 1997. Let us learn about features of macOS. Macintosh OS offers a sleek and intuitive user interface. The dock provides quick access to frequently used applications and documents. Mission Control allows user to view and manage open windows and workspaces easily. Launchpad provides a simple way to organize and launch applications, and its security is robust. Macintosh OS prioritizes security to protect user data and privacy. Gatekeeper ensures that only trusted applications can be installed. FileVault offers a full disk encryption to safeguard sensitive information. Built-in malware protection and regular security updates help keep the system secure. Seamless integration. Macintosh OS seamlessly integrates with other Apple devices and services. iCloud syncs files, documents, and settings across Mac, iPhone, and iPad. Handoff enables users to start a new task on one device and continue on another. It means that if you start a presentation preparing on MacBook, you can either continue it on iPad or you can continue it on iPhone. AirDrop allows easy file sharing between Macs and iOS devices. Powerful productivity tools. Macintosh OS includes a suite of powerful productivity tools. Pages, Keynote, and Numbers provide robust document creation and editing capabilities. Spotlight offers a fast and intelligent search functions across the entire system. Siri, the voice assistant, allows user to perform tasks using voice commands. Let us learn about history of macOS. In 1984, Apple introduced Macintosh computer with original Macintosh operating system. macOS featured a graphical user interface and introduced concepts like desktop icons, Windows, etc. macOS underwent several updates and improvements, including the introduction of System 6 in 1998 and System 7 in 1991. Here you can see the picture of macOS, which was first launched in 1984. It is a black and white image. And in the 1991, Apple introduced System 7. This included colored icons and it was also a graphical user interface. It had a file finder which allowed the users to search for a file in the device. In 2001, Apple released macOS X, a completely redesigned operating system based on a Unix-based foundation. This was completely graphical user interface and it had colorful display and features. As you can see on the desktop, it is colorful and it is a graphical user interface. Again, macOS evolved a little more and it got a new update 10.5 and it was named Leopard and even other updates were released. Snow Leopard 10.6 with performance optimizations and Lion 10.7 with vision control and Launchpad. In 2012, Apple rebranded macOS X to macOS, aligning the name convention with its other operating systems like iOS. macOS has significant updates such as Sierra 10.12 with Siri integration, High Sierra 10.13, and Apple file systems, and Mojave with a dark mode and enhanced privacy features. Latest macOS versions include macOS Catalina, macOS Big Sur, and macOS Monterey. macOS Big Sur, it brought a redesigned user interface, improved performance, and support for Apple Silicon. Right now, Apple MacBooks are released on M1, M2, M1 Pro, M2 Pro chips, which are introduced by Apple itself. macOS architecture overview. macOS is based on kernel and system libraries, Windows Server, and graphics. Kernel and system libraries include provide higher level functions and interfaces for application development. Windows Server and graphics provide user interface, graphic and colorful display and graphically utilizes core graphics frameworks for drawing and manipulating graphics. macOS offers various frameworks for building applications. Cocoa framework provides the primary API for developing Mac applications. iCloud provides storage and Siri provides voice assistant activation. Security and privacy. macOS emphasizes security and privacy features by keep using Gatekeeper and Xprotect, which allows only trusted applications to install and scans for malware and prevents execution. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.